Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to restore your Candy Crush levels. Losing your game progress can be frustrating, whether it's due to a new device, an app reinstallation, or simply a glitch. The most reliable way to get your levels back is by ensuring your game is connected to your Facebook account. This connection acts as a backup, saving all your hard-earned progress and allowing you to pick up right where you left off, even if you switch devices or reinstall the application. It's a simple yet crucial step. To connect your game and restore your progress, first open the Candy Crush Saga app on your mobile device. Look for the prominent blue Facebook Connect button, usually found in the game settings menu or on the main screen. Tap this button, and you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook credentials. Once you've successfully logged in and confirmed the connection, your saved game data, including all your completed levels and boosters, should automatically synchronize. This process typically takes only a few moments to complete. If your levels aren't immediately restored, don't worry, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, double-check that you are logged into the exact Facebook account that was previously linked to your Candy Crush game. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as synchronization requires data transfer. Sometimes, clearing the game's cache and data in your device settings can resolve persistent issues. If all else fails, reaching out to King's customer support team directly is your best bet. They can often assist with more complex recovery situations. To prevent future loss of your Candy Crush progress, always make sure your game is connected to a Facebook account. This is the most secure method for saving your achievements. Regularly verify that your connection is active, especially after game updates or device changes. Remember that playing extensively offline might delay progress synchronization, so try to connect online periodically. Guest accounts, while convenient for quick play, do not save your progress across different devices or if the app is reinstalled, so always link to Facebook for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.